Well, ice crystals continue to do amazing things with the sun's light. In fact, you can see this thin layer of ice crystals lofted into the atmosphere by our winds today. And that's where our sundogs are just very vibrant at this hour. Also, a halo starting to form around that as well. A lot of great pictures by you, our viewers, uploaded today. Here's a look at your current conditions at Hector. It's 5 below, but feels more like close to 30 below thanks to a wind from the northwest at 17 miles per hour. Most of us have winds between 15 and 25 miles per hour, so it's making these sub-zero temperatures punching in feel much colder. Right now, 7 below Grand Forks, your air temperature. Langdon, Cavalier, and Devils Lake all at 8 below. And one of the warmer spots this hour, Roseau at 0. Here is a look at the wind chills already approaching 35 below in Grand Forks, 20 below for Baudette, and 24 below this hour in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. Still some clouds, a lot of wind out of the northwest picking up snow, but it's becoming less gusty. So we do have concerns about blowing snow into the early evening. That's going to be the cold. We're watching systems off the west coast. Right now, a big spiraling low pressure system is going to throw some energy our way for a midweek snowstorm. And a little bit more great news. If you're not a fan of weather, this storm track from the southwest into the central and northern plains does not look like it's really going to budge or change that much as we go into late February. So we'll keep you updated on that. But for right now, your hour-by-hour planner shows temperatures diving well into the teens below zero. By 10 o'clock tonight, most of us will have some pretty brutal wind chills. And as a matter of fact, when we do start our day, we'll have enough wind out there at 5 to 15 miles per hour to drive those wind chills to between 30 and 45 below for many of us here across the viewing area. We'll see a few clouds out there, and overnight I can't rule out an isolated flake of snow or two, but at least the blowing snow and reduced visibility problems should subside a little bit. Tomorrow, temperatures rise, but not that much. We'll see them rise more as this cloud mass pushes in. A chance for some Tuesday evening flakes or flurries. And with temperatures this cold, that could add up fairly quickly to an inch or two of snow. All right, 14 below as we start our day in Fargo-Moorhead. We warm up to 1 above, but again, we'll have north winds at about 5 to 15, keeping us wind chilly all day long. Although weather-wise, we'll see more clouds and a chance for some spotty flurries late. It looks like a dry day in between the next major weather outbreak. More on that in a second. Your hometown temperatures, the best chance at being above zero tomorrow afternoon, Lakes Country, below zero all day for eastern North Dakota. Beautiful shot of the St. Ansgar sunrise out there near Lemoore. Just a beautiful rolling hills scene on a chilly winter day. Here's a look. Wednesday, snow likely, particularly in the Southern Valley. 5 the high temperature. That Arctic air mass will then follow with temperatures close to 20 to 30 below at our area as we close out the work week, and yet another chance of snow in the area as we go into the weekend, this upcoming weekend. Here's a look at the timing and track of our Wednesday into Thursday snow potential. Beginning on Wednesday, as we go through the midday hours, we'll see bands of moderate snow, maybe heavy at times. It will be followed by increasing wind as we go into the day on Thursday as the storm system itself exits, with the heaviest potential for snow south, a little lower north the way it looks right now. 2 models. The American model says Lookout Fargo up to Bemidji. If you look at that, that's ridiculous snowfall amounts. And the European model, which is the one that would get my vote, we'll see a little bit less. But nonetheless, it looks likely that some will see 6 to 8 inches of snow, followed up by wind midweek, Wednesday into Thursday.
So many models and so much snow. And
yeah, they agree a little bit on the track and timing snowfall amounts, though. We're still kind of scratching our heads a little bit and making sure. So
that's good. We appreciate that.
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.